When I'm checking out a new business or some type of service provider, the first thing I look for is a website. Something that gives me a preview of what to expect. But I know making a professional looking website isn't exactly a piece of cake. Or so I thought. Fortunately, we live in the age of options, and building your own website is easier than ever. My personal favorite is Wix. I've used them several times to build websites for myself, and I have friends who've done the same. So for today's video, I'll be sharing my experience using Wix, how it works, what it does well, and what could be better, the cost, and how it compares to other options in the web building space. That said, by the end of the video, you'll have a better idea if Wix is right for you. All right, let's get into it. Now, chances are, even if you've never heard of Wix before, you've probably visited a Wix site. They're the largest website building platform with more than 250 million users across 190 countries. Their platform is designed specifically for people who don't have coding skills, but still want to create and maintain a website. Getting started, the first step is to make an account. Then you'll have the option to pick a domain name and a hosting package. There are 4 different plans to choose from. Hosting is all done in the cloud, so there's no software to download. And you can manage your website from anywhere in the world. And truthfully, web building is kind of fun and relatively straightforward. They have a giant app store with thousands of plugins and tools to choose from to make your website look and feel even more legit. Everything you need to make and maintain your website is included in your subscription. So let's take a look at their plans, pricing, and what features are included in that monthly fee. Now, they actually do give you the option to build a limited free website with a small amount of bandwidth. The downside is that they leave Wix's branding all over the website itself, and the web address uses the Wix domain. For some though, it might work, like for a wedding or celebrating some kind of one-time event. But it's a good way to test out their features if you don't want to pay for it yet. But for anything else, you don't want the Wix branding or their name in the domain. It just comes off as really unprofessional and can make your site a bit harder to find. So let's talk about their paid plans. Like I mentioned earlier, there are 4 with prices ranging from $17 to $160 per month, all of which come with a 14-day money-back guarantee. Starting with the Lite plan, which costs around $17 a month if you pay for the year, it's perfect for personal users to create an online resume, a portfolio, or a blog. And as with any of the paid plans, you won't have to deal with the Wix branding on your website. And they even throw in a free custom domain for a year. You get an SSL certificate that keeps sensitive data like passwords and personal information secure. The Lite plan gives you up to 2 gigs of storage, but if you're expecting more visitors or higher traffic to your site, then I suggest you upgrade to the Core plan. So the Core plan unlocks some of the e-commerce features that make Wix worthwhile for businesses. It's a great choice for nonprofits because they get a 70% discount for 2 years to create and host one website. But it's also great for smaller business owners and freelancers who want to engage with customers. At $29 a month, if you pay ahead for the year, you get all the features of the Lite plan. But instead of 2 gigs of storage, you get up to 50 gigs. You also get access to simple e-commerce functions along with some helpful marketing tools, scheduling, and services to create things like appointments, and free use of the Wix Site Booster app for a year. The booster makes sure that your website shows up on the front page of Google and other major search engines in your keyword. But if you're already a business that wants to create a proper online shop, you might want to consider Wix's business plan at $39 a month if you pay ahead for the year. It might be the way to go. This is the plan that I went with. You get everything you need to set up and run a successful e-commerce website. Plus, you get up to 100 gigs of storage space. You can go to the App Store to download premium apps like Wix Bookings or Wix Hotels, and you can accept payments through the site. Now, finally, there's the Business Elite plan for about $160 a month. The biggest benefit here is more advanced features and unlimited storage space. Honestly though, for most websites that are going to be dealing with regular traffic, the simpler plans would be enough. The Business Elite plan is really only meant for websites with a lot of traffic, or mega corporations. And if you want to give Wix a try for yourself, then you can check out the affiliate links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps out the channel. And sometimes we do have special deals that you wouldn't get if you went directly through their website. So with all the background info out of the way, what's it like to be a real user? Personally, getting started with Wix was a pretty smooth process. I find designing sites pretty fun, and there are over 800 templates you can customize with Wix's really intuitive AI and easy-to-use tools. Plus, there's lots of tutorials out there to help you if you've never made a website before, especially on Wix. But the downside of using a template is that once you design your website with one, you can't go back and change it very easily. I also found a few themes that not all the templates are fully responsive with. And I've seen a few complaints that they don't always display properly on mobile formats. I designed my own using the drag and drop editor, which is surprisingly easy to use. It might take a little bit longer, but the personalized results are worth it. In the Wix Studio, you'll find even more editing features that you may not need when you start out, but it's good to know that they're there in case you do need them down the line. And once the design and content are all set up, you can start adding features and functions by choosing add-ons from a huge catalog of widgets and business tools. And in terms of support, with all of Wix's paid plans, you get 24/7 customer service. And there are really great tutorials to guide you if you ever need them. So how does Wix compare to other similar services? Well, I've used Wix and Squarespace, and they offer the same basic service. But if you're completely new to building a website, then Squarespace might come across as a bit more user-friendly, since they have only one editor and fewer options for customization. If you ask me, I like having more options, which is why I went with Wix. That said, Squarespace offers less customization, and its templates are 100% mobile responsive, which, as I mentioned, isn't always the case with Wix. But like I said, Wix has more features, better e-commerce functions, more templates, and more options to integrate extra features. Not to mention, Wix is also a tad cheaper. So, bottom line, Wix offers more website features and add-ons than a lot of other platforms out there. Plus, they give you a wide selection of customizable templates and excellent e-commerce solutions. Wix is an all-around great choice to build a website, and it's easy enough to use as a complete novice. Whatever your reason, whether you want to showcase your professional skills, start a small online store, or build a thriving internet kingdom, Wix has you covered. And that's all for this review. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more like this. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. As a reminder, if you want to check out Wix for yourself, then be sure to use the affiliate links to help you get started. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts. So go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try and answer as many as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.